Welcome, in front of me is Galaxy S25 Edge, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the password to your smartphone. So in such situation, the best decision would be to try and remember the password you entered the last time, and really take your time doing that, because this might save you a lot of work and a lot of time in the future. And if you really can't do that, then the other best solution would be to contact Samsung customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of the device, then they will most certainly help you out unlocking your device without the need to erase any data and personal information from your device. But if it's still not an option for you, then the only solution remaining is to perform a factory reset, basically to erase all data from your device. And to do that, you can either use Find My Device feature by Google, you can use a Samsung Find feature, using any of these ones, you can simply access your device remotely using your other device like laptop, another phone, tablet, PC, and just log into your either Samsung or Google account, access your device, erase all data from it, and this will let you regain access to your phone once you do that. And the other solution is to perform a factory reset using recovery mode on your phone. If you don't know how to do that, or if you need some advice or help, then consider watching the video on our channel. We got an entire video explaining it step by step, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And I think that's all I had to say for this video. So if you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.